My name is Jerry Oden. I'm the day porter manager here at Bedrock. Oversee our entire day porter team, which is just about under 100 people. Every day is different. You never know what you're coming into. Day may be slow one day and the next 5 days may be super intense, but we get through it with teamwork, communication, and of course just living our core values. We're responsible for the day-to-day cleanliness of our entire portfolio. So pretty much without our team, no one comes to work with a clean office or clean space. I just feel like we are the front line of what we do, and I feel like our company pretty much stands behind us 100% in getting it done. I really think it's one of those jobs where what you put in is what you get out. I myself actually started off as a day porter almost 5 years ago. And I worked my way up to a lead day porter, and now I'm one of 2 day porter managers, all within 5 years. Our company is constantly growing, so there's always opportunity. You may start off one place, but you never know where you could be within a month, weeks, years, however long it takes, but the opportunity is there.